I'm Dipyaman Sanyal, and I talked about causal inferencing and causality today. Key takeaways is that traditional machine learning and statistical models do not talk about causality but correlations, and we know that correlation is not causality. But there are models now in computer science, in quantitative psychology, in econometrics, and some in physics which talks about causation. And the idea was to open people's eyes to these new kinds of models that are getting more and more popular and has the potential to change artificial intelligence as we know it. I mean, I work in multiple sectors, but my primary sector is of course education technology. In edtech, I think we are seeing a beautiful divergence where we see that students tend to learn better when they have faculty-led instruction, right? But on the other hand, LMSs or the learning management systems do much better if they are supported by artificial intelligence. I think this contradiction in edtech is something that I am very excited about because it's just two different things happening in two different ways. So yeah, that's something that's probably going to be really big and something to think about. I think scaling AI/ML solutions, first thing is to start thinking beyond neural nets, because everybody and anybody today just focuses on neural networks and artificial intelligence and deep learning. Sometimes you don't even need to scale your AI/ML models, right, or the complexity of the models. Sometimes what you need to do is take that proof of concept and actually build something out. So I think the best way to think about scaling in this space is to think about better project management, better outcome orientation of projects, and of course with new technology and the cloud, I think everything is changing completely. So scaling up traditionally, which has always been a problem with building your own clusters and so on, with the likes of the different cloud providers, it's completely changed today. I've been visiting Cypher for quite a few years now. This is the second time I'm speaking. Love the energy, love the vibe, love to see how big it has gotten over the years. Both Cypher and the magazine and AIM. I mean, I remember Bhaskar starting it off, and now it's something so much bigger. Both the event and the magazine. I think that's very heartening to see. It's also providing a forum to different kinds of thinking. I think stuff that I talked about here is very distinct from most of the ML/AI courses or the stuff that's going on in most ML/AI practice. So I think that space that Cypher has provided with the right kind of audience, I think that's absolutely invaluable for the ecosystem.